the OK button for calibration. After the device will receive the signal of the target, we could confirm the point of the target and dig in this point, right in this place, and the target, it will be 100% in this point. Hello again, here we are with a new device from MWF. We bring you a new device, the Inspector 900 Plus. A special edition made for Prizm Company, manufactured by MWF. The Inspector 900 Plus has a lot of features and specifications that really make it your first choice. Detecting gold and treasure is not an easy task, but with the Inspector 900 Plus, it will be very fun and easy. It contains a global remote sensing system with a 360-degree detection angle and an integrated advanced voice verification system that gives confirmation of the location of the target through an interactive user that gives you an oral and visual results on a high resolution color screen. This device gives you verification to depths up to 25 meters underground and detects a front distance up to 1,250 meters. All this and more in a small device, easy to carry and lightweight. So it will indeed the best choice for every prospector and treasure hunter with actual and real guarantee. Let's talk about the feature of the Inspector 900 Plus. The Inspector 900 Plus for gold and metal detection works on an advanced remote sensing system that emits precise frequency waves loaded at a high voltage that give a great accuracy in the detecting result. This system is also integrated with acoustic radar verification system, which provide multiple results equipped with a high Virgin radar sensor with a high sensitivity sensors. It is operated by a high resolution color screen that gives the user quick and easy control over the search settings feature, total control of display properties, volume control, screen brightness control, language settings control, and multi-language to use. The device specializes in searching and prospecting for gold and metals. Gives the explorer the feature of determining the type of target to be searched. There are several options: gold, silver, copper, bronze, aluminium, lead, iron, diamonds, caves, and voids. It finds target up to depths 25 meters with feature of predetermining the required search depth 1 meter up to 25 meters, and for a front search distance up to 1,250 meters with a feature of predetermine the search distance beginning with 50 meters up to 1,250 meters. The Inspector 900 Ultra is equipped with a high definition laser help to determine the search path at night. This device is equipped with a feature of accurate adjustment of the frequency value, which gives the user the ability to check the target location and its quality very accurately. 360-degree search and detection feature giving you quick and easy movement towards the target. High quality and durability are one of the most important features available in this device, as it's manufactured entirely from the best material and plastic and works on a high efficient electronic processors. So go to complete your exploration with confidence. The device gives the user 12 hours of continuous work without interruption. The device is equipped with the internal built-in rechargeable lithium-ion batteries with long life and optimum efficiency. So now together, let's see what inside the case of the Inspector 900 Plus. The device comes inside an anti-shock case, easy to handle and hold. Let's open the case and see what inside. So inside the case, here we got the main unit. It's the unit responsible for leading and research and processing the data extruded from the ground and displaying on the screen here using the latest and most advanced interactive programs and systems. And here we got the transceiver antennas, two antennas to send and receive the waves returned from the target as a result for the transmit wave of high sensitivity. And here we got the built-in radar sensor. It's connected to the sensor socket in the upper face of the device, and it's used with the long-range search system to specify its work together after using the long-range system to specify exactly the point of the target during the search. And here we got the grab. It gives the device free moving handle, allow the device to rotate and free movement with the feature of direct installation and disassembly. It's easy and practical. And here we got the battery charger. Plugged into the charging socket on the side of the unit. The output of the charger is 13.8 volt, 2 ampere. And here we got the headphone, a small and practical headphones with 3.5 millimeter jack to use and to plug in the device with. And of course we got the user manual, all instruction how to use and all information about the device inside this user manual. And we got the DVD, mini DVD tutorial for the device, and of course the warranty card, 3 years warranty card from MWF. And that's all for inside the case of the device. Now let's move for explaining the interfaces of the device and how to set up all the settings of the device. So in this part of the video, we will explain all the interfaces and how to set up all the settings and the parameter of the device to be ready for searching. Before that, I will do a quick tour for all the keypad board and how to turn on the device and all the jacks and the plug that we have in the main unit. Here we got the switch to turn on the device and a LED. The LED will be turned on when we press it and will turn on the device. And here we got the charging plug and the mic 3.5 millimeter plug, and of course from this side of the main unit we got the 2 jacks for transceiver antennas, and we got radar sensor, and here we got the laser, and in the back we got the plug to connect the handle and the grab of the device. So let's turn on the device simply by pressing the switch, and it will turn on. In the main unit we got the battery indicator and the search and the setting icons. Here in the keypad bar we got the back button and the navigation button and the OK button, and of course the button to turn on the laser, turn on or turn off. Let's first go for the settings. Look what settings that we could set it or change. Any setting that we need to change, we could move between the setting. We got here the language to set up the language or change the language that we got, and the display setting and the sound setting. Here in the language we got multi-language, 4 different language, the English, Germany, Persian and Arabic. To set up or change the language, we have to press OK again and move between the language that we got and choose what the language that we want to set. Let's save it as English. Okay, and we go for the display setting. To set up all the display setting, we will press OK. To level up the display brightness or lower the display brightness as we want. And then we got the sound setting. We could level up or level down by pressing OK. Even we could make it mute or level it up for the highest level of sound and go back. Now we're finished with the settings. We will go for the search icon, and for the search interface we'll press OK, and this is the search starting interface that we got all the parameters of the search and the icon to start search. We could easily move between the icons to set up the parameters as target, distance and depth, even to press the start icon to start search. So let's first set up the settings and the parameter here. For parameter of search, here we got the target. We will press OK and it will go between the target that we have: the iron, the gold, silver, bronze, copper, cavity, aluminium and diamond and lead. And now let's set the distance. It's began with 50 meter, and with pressing OK it will go up to 1250 meters. And for the depth the same, starting with 1 meter up to 25 meters. After we set up all the parameters, and of course we connect all the antennas for LRL system and the grip pack, and you could press start and the device will be ready. After calibration the device with the ground, it will be ready for search. After we start searching and press the search icon, in the corner we've got the frequency indicator that simplifies the feature of modification to the basic frequency of each target. It gives the ability to modify the search frequency from 0 up to 100 Hz in order to verify the natural of the paired target. By pressing the moving button here, it will go up to 100 Hz, even minus 100 down to 0 again. So in this way we can control the frequency of the long range radar waves, increasing and decreasing by rapidly pressing the move button during the search. So that's all for the searching interface and all interfaces of the device. There are 2 ways to search with the LR system. The first way to search. First, we must calibrate the device to simulate the waves and field out of the device, where we move the device by hand to right and left slowly for many seconds, and then we redirect the device correctly to start the search by moving in a direction, waiting the device to read a signal of a target. We should carry the device through the handle in horizontal with the ground slanted and directed slightly toward the ground. As we see, if the target is found, the device will receive a signal automatically, changing the device from the normal path to which the target was located. We should try at least another 2 directions to be sure of the path of the target. So we will repeat same part again until we confirm the path of the target. After we confirm the path of the target, we do move in this path to specify exactly the point of the target. As we done in this video. There is another way for us to more accurately determine where the target is located. We are in the process of securing the target site by taking 4 readings of the target point from 4 points. Square 3 meters from the target site, we will notice the intersection point of the 4 readings. The target, it will be in the midpoint of this intersection point. After we remove the transceiver antennas, we remove the handle and we install the radar sensor in the main unit. We carry the device as we see and we use it as a point verification unit. We direct the device toward the target directly and we press the OK button for calibration. After the device will receive the signal of the target, we could confirm the point of the target and dig in this point right in this place, and the target, it will be 100% in this point.